Introducing the Valorant Tower, a collaboration between DMCI Homes and Marubeni Corporation, one of Japan's largest global trading conglomerates. This is strategically located at C5. This offers proximity to upcoming infrastructures like MRT4 and Metro Manila Subway. Explore its exquisite design and its welcoming reception. 75% open space with 3 levels of amenities. Here's the ground floor amenities, 7th floor amenities, and also the roof deck amenities, including a roof deck pool. The Valorant Tower promises a luxurious living experience. DMCI Home's signature LumaVent technology ensures spaciousness with larger doors and windows and bigger unit cuts. Message me for site tripping and computations.